na nomunisto semita kamay na maramambala na nomunisto mutumbu. E na songo ni kana marauta kina tuba kay koya. Minay magiganoa.
Nakirisa na tilkina. Na nomuni ve na nomi. Naranumisak. Nema mi turang bale. Turang na marama. Kaya leo ni vanua. Tawag ka baby.
Chiefs and peoples of Fiji, thank you for such a magnificent and touching welcome. And thank you also for the welcome that the Indian community have given me. I am told that it is a departure from tradition for a welcome of this kind to be combined with the Fijian ceremonies. But this is a true indication of the future potential of this multiracial society, and I wish all its people success beyond measure.
Ako sa bola. Kunin bola pinakasak. Ang bola pinakasak ang mga mambala na nanay. Kaya istigo-tigo mga tuwi may bola kanay. Muna kalong nga tatigo. Minraki pinakatigo na pumusa kay Viti.
The first Governor-General of the Independent Dominion of Fiji is sworn in by the Chief Justice in the presence of the Prime Minister and Cabinet.
Majesty the Queen has asked me to read the following message to you. My chiefs and peoples of Fiji, on this historic occasion, I send to you all my warmest congratulations. On the 10th of October, 1874, a document was signed at Levuka, whereby your ancestors, and in particular the great chief Cakobau, the Levuka Ovalau, ceded to my great-great-grandmother the rule and governance of your islands in return for the protection which the Crown could afford you. Since that day, there have been many changes in the world, but there has always been mutual faith and confidence between Fiji and Britain in peace and war. This relationship has stood the test of time and will, I believe, endure into the future. With independence, your leaders assume new burdens and will have greater responsibilities to discharge. I am confident that if you continue to seek solutions to future problems in the same spirit in which you have faced and overcome those of the past, the years ahead will be bright and prosperous. As head of the Commonwealth, I also take pride in welcoming Fiji to membership of our unique international fellowship. I am especially glad that I can be represented among you today. This is a token of the affectionate regard in which we hold Fiji. May God bless you all. I have now been asked to give the constitutional instruments of independence of Fiji to the Prime Minister.